Team Alpha, you're going to go ahead and make sure you're going to push that fortress, get that sucker up and going, okay? Team Bravo, you're going to go ahead and push straight down the middle A-butts, all right? Put the pressure on. Then, Team Alpha, what you're going to do is you're going to make your way as far to the right forward as you can there, right? You're going to sweep through, and I want to make sure that we just keep this one area under control, and that we can keep them from trying to get up over to that defense. He's running this. I'm going to be right here. Nobody in the black with the grays and the greens, right? We're just trying to shoot a bunch of cannons.
And maybe some guy in a blue flannel.
Welcome to Operation Freedom 3. I'm not going to do the little text things I normally do just because my video program is very tricky about doing this kind of stuff. Because the 4K resolution the GoPro gets can't really process that well with the editing program, so it's just very difficult to do stuff. It's hard to do it on just like the regular ones on the Airnanigans alone, so yeah, you're not going to get that here, but hey, it's still fun nonetheless. On this day, we were outnumbered like 3-1, because like the first half, I think there was 20 to 27 of them on the beginning of the day, and there was only like 16 of us at the first beginning. Close to like 20, and then like halfway through the day we kept along within that 20 area mark while they got all 50 of their dudes together, so we were heavily outnumbered for most of the day, but we made that up for being very effective. Even though they had the manpower to throw at us, we were very effective. I am fighting for the Eurasian Axis of Power, which I think consists of Russia, China, North Korea, and recently pressured in Canada, along with a mercenary company known as Red Diamond Contracting, RDC. The faction we are fighting, which is the NATO Defense Force, which is known as the American Defense Force, with the Construct Militia, which is pretty much a bunch of Americans given rifles and said, hey, you're fighting to defend your home. In today's event, we have a gulag and a shooting range. If you ever play Call of Duty Warzone, you already know what the Gulag is, but the Gulag is where you and one other person, potentially more, will fight to the death. The winners get to redeploy back into the battlefield. While in the shooting range, if you shoot specified targets, you could get to redeploy, which both things are really fun. I have never used a hater pistol before. That was what was used, and I have never shot a hater pistol, ever. Like, for the pricing that you get for these things, these are really great CO2 powered pistols, and I would recommend them if you ever do like CQB stuff. Alright, without further delay, I'm sorry for this video already being like 48 minutes long, and it's going to be longer now because of this. I will let it continue, so enjoy the long ass video.
Yeah, right there, directly that way, behind the middle mound with the 2 spindles.
That's where we're running, right?
You want to move up with them and I'll take your spot? Because we'll keep our LMG to cover fire.
I'll stick with him. I have all the ammo for him.
There's one. I don't know.
I got all the ammo for him.
Yeah, you'll be my battle, but you're my friend now.
We're having soft tacos later. I need ammo, battle buddy. Battle buddy.
There's a few people to the right.
Oh shit, Juggernaut inbound! Juggernaut inbound! Retreat! Peel back! Peel back! Peel back! Peel back!
Fall back! Fall back!
Go, 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 go! Juggernaut's coming this way.
Alright, let's push up this way. Everyone on the side's dead. All friendlies on the side are dead. Machine gunner is down! They're pushing the bus!
All right.
Hello, I'm here for the cannon fodder run.
Yeah.
10 rounds. Wait until
Double action?
it's double action. Yep, your safety is off.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Welcome to my Gulag. Come on in. Excited. Finally we have some bodies. Alright, each of you pick a side. Grab a wall.
What side do you want?
First whistle start game, second whistle end game.
That's it, I guess. I'll just take the long walk.
All right.
First man to kill other man wins. Winner gets the ring blood. Loser gets more for it. Start. As soon as I heard the shot ring out of my Gulag, somebody is after some blood. Oh, I'm scared.
Ah, nice. Well done.
Woo, scared.
You did it!
Godspeed, AIP. Godspeed.
We'll fight on in your name!
Tell Van Halen.
Juggernaut right there! I tried to shoot him too because I thought he was someone else I was hunting for. Don't pick that bus. The Juggernaut is right there on your right side.
All right, so we might be down halfway, but that's okay. You know, anything to help pad their egos helps them out, you know. So what we got to focus on right here is just working together. All right. So we've got 3 dummies out there. Well, technically 4 if including the commander over there from the inside. So that's 4 dummies. So of course, right, we've got one over here in this corner, straight across to our left. Okay, there should be one there. Then there'll be one over here in the center.
Front of the bus, all right.
Yeah, over here, direct to the left side. Should be that far. All right, buds. And then there'll be one more in that back right corner over there. All right, so again, right? Supposed to bring that suckers back, and then, or let's see, each team will have to find their dummy at 1 of 3, right? From there, they will need to bring the dummy in any order to 3 locations, having to return to the HVT to fob between locations. Okay? So we need to make sure we got to find it. We have to search all 3 locations. Okay? Once we find that button, bring it back here. We'll start directing where it needs to go.
Where do you see them?
In front of the bus.
All right.
I can't run in this man. I can't do this.
Dude, it's hard to keep up with you too. You're fast as with all that on. Yeah, they're behind the school bus. No one's inside yet.
All right, then I'm gonna move. You wanna come?
Well, I have to provide you ammunition.
Yo, we're gonna push up. So up here in front.
Hey, you guys look clear.
All right, moving.
Dummy in sight.
Is that ours?
I think it is.
Grab it. Grab it. I got you. Let's go. Coming around, coming around.
All right, someone take this back. I gotta stick with them for ammunition.
I just ran over here. Godspeed. Godspeed, brother. Have fun. Woo!
Hey, ride the bus.
We're moving up far right.
Watch the bus.
Watch the bus.
Coming across, coming across. Sniper! Hill! You see him?
Negative.
He got the ghillie suit on. That hill in front. Yeah, cover me. I'm pushing.
Got him.
Shit.
Here. There's more behind that mound, I'm guessing.
We can only body heal with the tourniquet, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, hold out your arm for me.
Thank you, my friend.
They got a dummy. You're a dummy. Mission objective, hold this line, hold this position. They got Delta Force coming in! Hey, I need some assistance over here. They're right here on this fence. I got him head.
Are inside of the boxes.
Oh.
Okay, so if we take, they're blue and yellow.
You want to make sure you open up the box, make sure it's our colored armbands, and bring it back to us.
Oh.
It's designated boxes, all right.
Bring the box. Bring the box. Make sure it's ours, okay? Because if it's not, we're gonna get in trouble, right? So look for the
I mean, it's just called sabotaging the enemy efforts. As the wise words of Sun Tzu, logistics is everything, but expensive as hell. Still the enemies.
1 man per person. Okay. Grab it, bring it back. Grab it, bring it back.
You should put me on contract, man. I got you.
Thank you.
You're the intern now.
He just keeps threatening me with violence, and I just keep coming to work.
Dude, we fired you 5 years ago. Stop coming back.
The insurance at this place is nuts.
I see anyone? I'm blind. I can't see people. I would look through my optics. This is a safe spot to sit and relax for 2 seconds. You good over here? You good over here? One coming your way behind the mounds. They're right next to the bus behind the first fence wall. Yep, behind the barrels. All right, yep, he's dead. Once I revive, I will disclose important information. He's right over this wall. By the bus. Yeah. Yeah, I know. He just shot our guy right there. Yeah, right behind the mountain. He's dead. All right. Move it, move it. Do you have a tourniquet? You have a tourniquet on you?
Yeah.
All right.
Keep your head down.
Yeah, I know. They're right there on that mound. Shit, come on.
10 medic!
All right. Yeah, there are multiple right around that bus.
Yep.
All right, all right, all right. All right, I am looting you for your card.
Cool. I still had it.
All right, sweet. Thank you.
I also have something else for you. If I can get to it and you're not done.
You hold here. I'm bringing this back.
All right. See, right now I'm shooting the dirt in front of me.
Hey, there's still. Did you search this guy? Yeah. You did? Okay.
Yeah.
Got my card and I gave him that.
Oh, you're good.
Gotta reload.
Okay.
One right behind that concrete barrier, low.
Oh, keep your head down, keep your head down.
Oh.
Oh, you're hit.
Yep.
Go on, turn it.
Nope.
Dang it.
We're gonna need a medic with a bandage. The lovely chaos of war. Ooh, just smack directly into the wall and die.
I'm gonna do something weird. I'm gonna hold it through this angle.
Or you can just do Deadpool, just do a kick flip over the wall and shoot them. Oh. I'm dead.
So due to our lack of numbers being outnumbered 2-1, they decided to give us one of the kill streaks, which is Delta Force, as a number bolster for us. Yeah, it was pretty helpful. Too helpful, in fact.
One pushing Alamo behind the white wall. Is anyone over there? Oh wait, I can't say. Hey, is anyone behind the first cover? Come on with the tourniquet. Come on, tourniquet. Loosen up on me, man. Don't need to be as tight as the Virgin Mary. All right.
Thanks.
One on the left window, right window, far right window.
Hey, the flag is right to your left. What? Yo!
Oh, it is.
Green!
Oh, hit. Oh yeah, that's right, green. All right, we're green and red.
What's up?
That's right, we're green and red. For Christmas.
You don't need a bandage, do you?
Nope.
I'm suppressing!
Gotta double check too.
I feel that one. Wrong like fuck.
Thanks.
I gotta get green too.
Okay, Han.
Yo, can you get the green one? Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Suppression fire, and I got it. Hang on.
We're being shot straight down that way, straight from this.
That guy right there?
Yeah.
He's dead. We should try to get into here because I think we can, right?
You want to push
We can't get in through this side. We have to go around.
Okay. Ready? Let's go, let's go. Okay, they're all dead.
All right, they're dead. Rushing. I didn't know if you were dead or not, I'm sorry. No, I'm dead now.
Heads up, watch the car! Enzo! Good job, my friend. Good job.
Hello.
Did you guys I am so sorry for doming you. I didn't know if you were alive or not.
No, you're fine, you got the helmet.
I know, that was the goal.
Yeah, you're
I thought
fine.
you guys were on green. We were. We took Phoenix. You guys took Alamo, and then we just went, no, this is too much. Oh, so we swapped sides.
That makes a lot of
We
sense.
decided we took some initiative because it was too much. Yeah, okay. I get
All right, we did too good. We were too effective.
bleed out. Go hit the Gulag. Go enjoy Ross's bullcrap.
That's what happens. We were too effective.
Yeah, we were too good at our job.
I did. Missed some epic action gameplay. Me and one man pushed him. We died. There's a flag. The flag's right here too. Right here. No. Man with RPK pushing into Alamo right now.
Alright. Is he in our team?
No.
We have an LMG along in the middle.
You shot friendly!
I'm so sorry.
You're
I'm
good.
not a friendly party. Didn't think you were gonna get that. Which is usually a problem I have.
Yeah, I know. We did. We were too effective. I got here too quickly. Dude, there was a guy right here. He just disappeared.
Now reaching the town hour op mark, we got a chance to do an early deployment before the other team. So we got a couple guys in certain spots, and they got a couple guys in certain spots as well for them. And it was just going to be a full-on slugfest between the two teams because, well, despite being outnumbered, we were doing really well. And it's really going to show here at the final 10-hour mark of the whole operation.
Listen, this is how it's gonna go down. We're gonna fight to every last man, and it's literally gonna be captioned, "Girls, I want to die peacefully in my sleep, boys," and it's just us fighting for our lives to like the last man. What the hell? I'm a wizard now.
You're a wizard.
Alright. Happity boppity, your land's on my property. Pay taxes or get the f
Pay taxes or die. What are they talking about over there?
Communism.
Good. We need to spread the word.
The liberals are putting vodka in the water to make us communists.
Please don't shoot me. Please don't shoot me.
But what if I called in an airstrike? I think we're all at that distance. I think we're just all dead. My final trap card, self-suicide airstrike.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Two behind the bus. I can't see the guys that's in the trench over there. Green pushing in, green pushing in. What's up? Yeah, no, we decimated this side. Everyone's pushing up the far end of the field now. It's coming in to reinforce just in case. He sees a dude. Yeah, hold. I should have the radio. They're communicating with other people in their team. It'd be great to have a radio. Wow, yeah, no, they're taking that completely. There's only like, what, 4 dudes stopping them? Just the 2 of us. We can make it if we try, but something's going on behind. Alright, friendlies have complete control of the houses besides the far corner. This is a very relaxing defend position. It's like the Rishi move from Star Wars The Clone Wars, that episode. You're just heavy, you're gonna sacrifice yourself detonating the control point. I'm gonna be the bastard that gets eaten by the giant worm. What? Got him! I got him! Your mother was a hamster! Your father smelled of elderberries! You English can nick! I got him, I got the guy shooting from the FOB. Alright, we got friendlies pushing up towards them right now from the middle. We got room in here if you guys want to come in too. Watch out for the bunny. Got the one behind the spindle, got the one behind the spindle for you. Alright. Alright, holding the spindle for you. Fuck it, no pain, no gain, let's go. Gotta reload behind you.
I don't know.
Hi, what a nice little freaking spot here, eh?
Hey!
Okay, go, just keep killing stuff, buds. Go push back.
There's no one
Back.
else.
Hey, rest of you guys, push back, let hand come back in, okay? Do not engage grab, wait for the leg to stand. Get back to the bus path, copy?
Copy.
To the bus path.
Sweet. Woo.
We gotta go save Joe.
Joe Mama?
We gotta save Joe!
And the bus! Hit.
What's to your right?
That's the point.
Yeah, that guy's alive.
Want to shoot him real quick?
None of our BBs reach him.
I wish I had my Kythera, dude. It would be. That could be now. I should get inside of the Alamo. Let's go. You want to come?
We have to rush in there.
They're shooting back. Be careful.
MG!
MG push back, MG push back. Oh, they never capped it back? This is ours still. I need to sit down for a minute. Oh. All right. We have one person ducked down in the middle somewhere. And then we got one person at Bob watching this fence.
Are you down?
No. I'm just taking a breather.